YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and welcome to my new series 5-minute hairstyles. And this is just a series that consists of quick and easy hairstyles where the videos will be 5 minutes or less. So this video is all about this super cute half up and half down style that I'm going to show you guys how to do. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is just sectioning off the hair that I want to put in the top ponytail. And sorry for the pit stains, y'all, it be like that sometimes. I was half, okay? So now what I'm doing is just separating the rest of my hair into 2 sections so that way I can start styling. And I am starting off on freshly washed hair, so I did go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner while I was in the shower. So now I'm just going to detangle my hair with my brush, and then I'm going to go through with my Wetline Xtreme Gel and just rake that through my hair. And then I just keep taking small sections of my hair and repeating the same steps. I detangle, I add the gel, and then I just rake it through. And here I'm just applying gel to the front of my hair so that way I can brush it into a ponytail. And once you're done, you can either let your hair air dry or sit up under your hooded dryer like me.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I've actually never worn my hair like this since I've been natural, but I love it. This is so cute. It's such a quick, easy, simple, and cute style to do. Only took me like maybe 10-15 minutes in total. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.